Hi, it's Dan from Nancy and Dan Travel. Today we're on the Disney Fantasy room tour for cabin 8570. And yes, we've got various things already on our door. Let's go in and take a look. Yes, we already have our key card right in there, so the lights are on. There's the thermostat right there by the door. Okay, there's a lot to see here. It really is. So let's start going on the left. So yes, Nancy's already put in some of her clothes. There is the safe. I will tell you, it is wide enough for most laptops. It is deep enough for only some laptops. Nancy's would fit, mine would not. So just a heads up for that. Lots of hangers nonetheless. Then right next to it, shelves, more hangers. And I have not unpacked yet, other than, yes, my one jacket that you see there. Okay, now let's immediately turn to our right and the split bathroom. Now the split bathrooms is a concept that I don't know if Disney invented it, but I'm telling you, they are a godsend. Now it is a bit of a lip, like most cruise line ships to get in. Each of the lights are here. There's a light for the bathroom on the right, light bathroom on the left. And caution, do watch your step because of the lip. All right. So here we go. Again, and you've seen these before, I'm sure, with previous videos about the Disney Fantasy. Places to hook. A couple of hooks there to hook your wardrobes. Shelf there with a nice safety bar, if you will, for your stuff. Toilet, sink, more shelves, and yes, the waste bin is right there. With the sea salt hand soap. So in this first bathroom we have the toilet and the sink. Oh yes, and there of course is the tissue. All right, how about the next one? So the second bathroom, again, so watch your step. That's where you'll find the towels, 2 towel racks there. More shelves, mirror, see, so bath bar, nice. And there is the bathtub. Notice here something which we rarely see in Disney resort bathrooms. The bathtub is a grab bar or safety bar. Excellent. And again, the body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. And this is nice shower. Removable shower head. Very nice combination tub and shower. Okay. Let's go in then to the main part of the cabin. So to our left, got 3 deep shelves here. Laptop would fit in there. Glasses, even more shelves, lots of storage space. A bed. Again, our configuration to have a single bed. Very nicely appointed, and yes, there is a night table on both sides. Excellent. And down there you see the electrical outlets. All right, nice drawer, that one. Let's go over here. Same thing here, that's where I put the telephone. And again, we'll just open this drawer for more storage. What I really like is the lights just above the nightstand. Very nice, very nautical. Really pretty. And then living area. Again, notice you've got the curtain here. So if you're over here with youngins, that's where you could open up that into a bed and draw the curtain. Everybody has their separate sleeping quarters. But this trip just Nancy now. Okay, so more shelving there. There's a cabinet. Anything in there? Nope, just more shelves. So lots of storage space. There are 3 large. So find a hair dryer. So 3 large drawers. And for Nancy and I, we're Silver Castaway members, so we got the current Silver Castaway gift upon boarding. 2 lanyards here, the place for our key card, and the Castaway Club bag we're going to use when we go to Lookout Point, as well as Castaway Key on this trip. Now, I did order the beverage package. There's my refillable mug. We also ordered the non-alcoholic Cloud and Blue, which is a really nice, we had that on the last trip, really nice apple cider non-alcoholic. We brought with us a bottle of Cooper's Hawk Pinot Noir. You can see electrical outlets. And even here, it's nice, 2 USB outlets. Very nice. Okay, and here is the mini fridge. How cool is this? You know what? That's not bad. It's more of a cooler, I would say, than a mini fridge. And again, a chair. When you sit down, perhaps do makeup. All kinds of nice writing materials, postcards you can send. These, if you want to order, room service for breakfast. Again, room service is complimentary on the Disney Cruise Line ships. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so let's now go see the veranda. And we are facing west, if not left port yet, so it's very bright. So here's our veranda. Good size, you know, it could be even a few inches deeper than veranda on many of Disney Vacation Club villas at Walt Disney World. And there's the port. And like many cruise ships, this has the option where if your neighbors, friends of yours, and you wanted to chill on the veranda at the same time, you could have the steward come and open up this portion right here of the divider to expand the length of your deck. And there in the distance is the Disney Wish. 2 Disney Cruise Line ships in port, here at Port Canal. Okay, so there you have it. Our room tour. Cabin 8570 aboard the Disney Fantasy on a 5-night cruise to the Bahamas, the Caribbean. And if you want to see what a comparable cabin looks like on the Disney Wish, here's the link for you right now. Interesting to see the differences between the two. Here's another alternative video for you from our Nancy and Dan Travel to Disney YouTube channel for old adults and seniors. Please remember to like and subscribe. Helps us out a lot. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.